Hello friends, today we will discuss IELTS Task 1 question. We have a bar graph with us. First we take a look at the question. The graph below shows the changes in maximum number of Asian elephants between 1994 and 2007. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. Write at least 150 words. So as we can see in the bar graph, we have 9 Asian countries on our x-axis, and on the y-axis we have the estimated maximum population of Asian elephants. For each country, 2 bars are displayed. The bar on the left, that is the blue bar, is the population of elephants of that country for the year 1997, and the one on the right, that is the orange bar, reveals the population of elephants in the year 2004. So now we move on to our answer. First paragraph is the introduction, wherein we just paraphrase the question statement in our own words. The graph illustrates the comparison of projected maximum population of elephants found in 9 countries of Asia in the year 1997 and 2004. Now the most important paragraph of our task 1, that is the overview paragraph. Here we need to state our major observations of the graph. This is the paragraph that reports the main features and the comparisons of the graph. The population of Asian elephants saw a decline in most of the countries, with an exception of Cambodia, where there is a rise in population, and in Laos, where the population of elephants remained steady after a span of 7 years. Now we move towards the details. Our next paragraph gives fine details of the trend in the graph. The population of Asian elephants saw a major decline in countries like India, Malaysia and Thailand. In Thailand, the number of Asian elephants saw the maximum dip in population from 3,800 levels in 1997 to 1,200 in 2004, followed by India, where the elephant population dropped from 9,900 to 7,500 in 7 years. However, even after considering the downfall, India remained the country with the largest population of Asian elephants. Countries like Vietnam, Sri Lanka, Myanmar and China saw a moderate decline in this time period. Now in the next paragraph we state the exceptions to the major trend. This paragraph will report details of exceptions to the primary trend. Cambodia showed a reverse trend in elephant populations, where a minor rise is seen from level 1,200 in 1997 to level 1,400 in 2004. In Laos, there was no change, as the maximum number of elephants figure remained stable at 1,100 level over the time span. One more thing I need to point out, that in task 1 of IELTS writing, we are not expected to write a conclusion, as it is just a report, and moreover we have stated the main points in our overview paragraph, so it is needless to restate the same points all over again. Thanks a lot for listening to this report. Hope you like it.